Skid steer loaders have gained in popularity over the last several years, not only because of their outstanding versatility and performance, but especially because of their ability to handle a wide range of attachments. The short wheelbase, which gives skid steer loaders their superb maneuverability, makes them difficult to use for finish grading. FrontRunner offers the innovative solution which simplifies any construction tasks by replacing the skid loader bucket with versatile grading and cleanup attachment that keeps the operator looking ahead. A FrontRunner equipped skid steer can now perform many of those operations formerly left to the bulldozer, often in less time and with better results. Let's see just how well FrontRunner handles grading operations. As a grading tool, FrontRunner complements the skid steer loader perfectly. Designed to operate in a natural forward manner, FrontRunner takes full advantage of the skid steer's maneuverability and the operator's exceptional visibility to simplify working in tight quarters or close to obstructions. Using tines instead of a blade allows separation of debris during grading rather than requiring a separate operation beforehand. FrontRunner lets a skid steer make short work of many grading projects at a fraction of the operating cost of a bulldozer. Because of the ideal way FrontRunner integrates with the skid steer loader, grading is easier and more productive than it would be with either a bucket or a blade. Mounted in place of the bucket, FrontRunner is operated by the machine's standard boom and bucket controls. Wheels are placed ahead of the tines in the same configuration as a road grader, making it possible to do the most exacting grading tasks. Now let's see how FrontRunner simplifies cleanup. FrontRunner's flexible spring steel tines make site cleanup easier than ever. Because the tool is in front of the machine rather than behind as with traditional landscape brakes, FrontRunner clears a path ahead of the machine. Because the operator does not have to drive over debris, he can maintain higher operating speeds in greater comfort. Debris is easily separated from material to be saved because of the operator's fine control, and can then be cleared to the side of a work site, pushed into piles, or worked into windrows for removal. Finally, we'll examine how FrontRunner handles maintenance chores. FrontRunner simplifies many maintenance duties, such as keeping job sites smooth and clear and regrading parking lots. Tines provide scarification of hard ground and a means of separating debris, such as unwanted grass during grading. Its unique design allows FrontRunner to re-establish the crown on a road or driveway, while at the same time cutting a clean edge between grass and gravel, often replacing the need for chemical weed control. FrontRunner can even be used for snow removal, with its ability to handle light, fluffy snow enhanced by installing optional rubber flaps, as shown on the right half of this unit. For packed snow and soft ice, FrontRunner provides an effective means of removal and often leaves a surface less torn up and better for travel than a snowplow. FrontRunner is designed to attach to the quick change system of most skid steer loaders and requires little time and effort to hook up and get operating. The unit's angle cylinders are controlled by the loader's auxiliary boom hydraulics, and FrontRunner is available in sizes that will match the full width of the machine even when fully angled. Control of the unit is simplified by the operator's unlimited visibility and the use of familiar controls in a natural forward motion. FrontRunner's unique wheel system uses large diameter highway type wheels, which are easily adjusted for depth or for crowning settings without tools, simply by repositioning the wheel arm location with a hitch pin. The entire wheel assembly can easily be removed for simplifying transport or for certain operations such as snow removal. Another unique feature is FrontRunner's full floating action, which allows the unit to follow uneven terrain or to tip from one side to the other for crowning roads and driveways. FrontRunner's high-carbon spring steel tines are designed to take considerable abuse in the course of everyday work and provide shock protection not associated with the blade. Because tines are individually replaceable if damaged, they can also be removed for unusual projects such as reducing the unit's width for grading paths or for straddling or curbing while preparing sidewalks for paving, as you see here. This operation required the use of most of FrontRunner's features in a novel time and cost-saving combination. By removing several tines and properly adjusting the wheels, the operator made it possible for this skid steer loader to perform a task that would otherwise have been done by hand or by highly specialized equipment. There has always been a great deal of concern for leaving tracks during lawn preparation and for causing unnecessary compaction. Experience has shown that a FrontRunner-equipped skid steer can actually prepare a site in fewer passes than traditional methods, creating less total compaction while leaving a surface ideal for lawn installation, especially if a sod-handling lift truck is to be used to place sod. When high flotation is an absolute requirement, whether it be for lawn preparation or for working on extremely soft or muddy sites, FrontRunner can work equally well on a skid steer which has been equipped with tracks. In fact, FrontRunner offers an excellent means to dry out a site that might otherwise be unworkable. Because FrontRunner is so well suited to finish grading, it is only natural to couple it with modern laser leveling technology by adding a mast-mounted receiver to the unit. A closer look at the way FrontRunner is operated will reveal how it can achieve the fine control necessary to follow a laser receiver. Although the digging and feathering action of the tines can easily be controlled by raising and lowering the boom, a much finer action can be achieved by using just the bucket control while leaving the boom in one fixed position. This fine control allows the operator to easily adjust the height of the tines in response to the visual display on the receiver as it picks up the leveling signal from the laser transmitter. As you've seen here, FrontRunner can provide a simple, versatile, and cost-effective means for a skid steer loader to tackle a wide array of construction-related duties, including grading, maintenance, and site cleanup.